Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's video, I'll share with you how to make this amazing snack, honey churros recipe. This thing is so delicious and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. In a saucepan, add in water, sugar, honey, add in lemon juice, stir it until the sugar dissolves completely and bring it to a boil. This is the honey syrup that we're going to dip the churros in, so make sure you make this process. Stir it until until it turns a syrup, just like so. I'll then pour it into my bowl and keep it aside. So this is what you're looking for. This is the consistency you're looking for. I'll keep this aside and move to the next step. In the same saucepan, I'll add in milk, water, honey. So if you are not a honey lover, you can avoid the honey and add in only sugar instead of the honey. So I then added in sugar, oil. Lastly, I'll add in salt and then stir this until well combined. I'll stir this continuously until it boils. Once it comes to a boil, take it off from the fire and keep it aside. Just like so, keep it aside. In my bowl, in a different bowl, I'll add in flour, cornstarch. I'll mix these ingredients together till well combined. After, I'll create a well in the middle and add in the milk mixture, but I'll divide it into two, add in half, stir it until everything has come together, and then I'll add in the other half again. So guys, this recipe is very easy to make, and trust me, your kids are going to fight with you for this recipe. I'll knead it with my hands until it forms a dough. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. Go ahead and knead it until it forms a dough. After, adding eggs. So I added in 2 eggs, one at a time. I'll mix until it almost has come together, and then I'll add in the other one and mix it again until it forms a dough. It should be like this when done. This is the consistency you're looking for, something like a hard dough, just like so. I'll then add it to my piping bag. So guys, it should be like this. It makes it more easy for you to work with. At this point, go ahead and pre-heat your oil. Dip your scissors in the oil. It helps to cut it faster, or it doesn't stick to the scissors whilst you are cutting it in. So first you have to dip your scissors in the oil and then squeeze it out. Use the scissors to cut it. Just follow the process until you are done. This is so easy, and trust me, it's delicious. You will love it. You will love this recipe once you try it. Trust me, it's very nice. So I'll keep cutting them in little by little. If you don't have the piping bag, you can roll it on your chopping board and then use a knife to cut it like a round shape and then fry this bad boys. So I'll keep turning it until it turns to slightly lightly brown. Like this is almost ready. So I'll put it in and let it cook for another 2 minutes. And then when you get to this point, that means it's ready. Stay close to it and keep turning it. So when you get to this point like this beautiful color, that means you are there. It's crunchy on the outside, soft inside, guys. This thing is so delicious, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Look at this. I'll go ahead and fry the rest. Once you are done frying it, dip it in the honey syrup that we did earlier on whilst it's still warm. Dip it in for about 10 seconds, remove it, and you are ready to go. Just look at it, guys. Just look at it. It's so beautiful. It turned out like even the color, you have the crunchy on the outside, soft inside. It's yummicious, guys. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and guys, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Just look at it, guys. See you in my next video. Love you all and stay blessed.